Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I was just thinking about food and drinks. What's your favorite drink?
Oh, I have a few favorites, but I really enjoy a refreshing glass of lemonade on a hot day. How about you?
Lemonade sounds fantastic. I'm more of a coffee person myself. I can't start my day without a good cup of coffee. Do you like coffee?
Absolutely. I'm a coffee lover too. I enjoy a strong cup of black coffee in the morning to wake me up.
That's great to hear. Coffee really does have a way of energizing us, doesn't it? Besides coffee and lemonade, what other drinks do you enjoy?
Well, I also like herbal tea. It's so soothing and relaxing, especially in the evening. And occasionally, I indulge in a glass of red wine with dinner.
Ah, herbal tea sounds lovely. It's a great way to unwind after a long day. As for red wine, I agree, it pairs perfectly with certain meals. Speaking of meals, do you have any favorite drinks that go well with specific foods?
Definitely. I love having a glass of iced water with spicy food to cool down my palate. And when I have pizza, I always crave a cold glass of soda.
Ah, that's interesting. I agree, water is essential to balance out the heat from spicy food. And soda with pizza sounds like a classic combination. Now, do you have any favorite drinks from different cultures or countries?
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of Thai iced tea. The unique blend of tea, spices, and condensed milk is incredibly delicious. And I also enjoy a good cup of English breakfast tea, especially with scones and clotted cream.
Thai iced tea sounds intriguing. I'll have to give it a try sometime. As for English breakfast tea, it's a classic choice, especially with those delightful scones.
You're welcome. It was great discussing drinks with you. Cheers to our love for beverages.
Cheers! Exploring flavors and new drinks is fascinating.
Absolutely. Tried horchata, a traditional Mexican drink. Rice, cinnamon, almonds. Distinct flavor.
I've heard of horchata. Sounds delightful. I'll keep an eye out. Any trendy drinks you've tried?
Bubble tea, from Taiwan. Fun, refreshing, chewy tapioca pearls. Unique flavors and textures.
Bubble tea is popular. Fun and tasty. Trendy drinks gain popularity worldwide. Noticed any other trends?
Craft cocktails rising. Mixologists create artistic drinks, experiment with flavors and presentation.
Craft cocktails are popular. Bartenders mix ingredients for stunning drinks. Appreciate the craftsmanship. Other trends?
Growing interest in healthy drinks. Kombucha, fermented tea, gut health benefits. Drinks can refresh and contribute to well-being.
People prioritize health. Seek beverages with benefits. Kombucha with probiotics is a great example. This trend will continue. Learned a lot about flavors, trends, and cultural drinks. Thanks.
You're welcome. Pleasure discussing drinks. Cheers to our shared appreciation for beverages.